We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Storing blue cheese. The thing to do is to wrap the blue cheese in parchment or wax paper first, and then loosely wrap in plastic wrap. This way the cheese won't pick up any of those fridge odors while still being able to get some air. Of course, blue cheese should be stored in the fridge.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.